Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these Hardbites. These are at Costco, and these are the spicy ketchup. As you can see, these are gluten-free on the side right there. Take a look at the back. Here's a nutrient panel. If you guys don't want to read it, pause the video. And here are the ingredients. There's the ingredients right there. So you got some sugar in there. You have some spices. Yeast is in there. Beet powder. All right, let's do a quick taste test. There we go. Here's the chip. Okay, so they're a little sweet. Like, they're not overly sweet, but you can taste a little bit of sweetness in them. As for taste of the ketchup, it's okay. It's not as good as some of the other ones I've tried. It's you can taste a little bit of that sort of ketchup-y taste, but it's not strong. So, and the spiciness is not really that spicy, which is good for me, but it's not as spicy as it sounds, but the ketchup flavor could be better. Other than that, it's not bad. Definitely check it out. If you have questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.